Alright, today let's do an unboxing experience of this new razor I got. This is a Laifen brand. It's a Chinese brand. What I want to say is it's very funny because it's so much like an Apple product. So you see the sticker here. Does this remind you of your new iPhone or your new iPad Pro? So yeah, let's see what's it like. Alright, let's peel this off. Well, I mean the feeling is exactly like opening a new iPhone. And I have to say this is really heavy. Like when you feel it in your hand, it's like a block of metal. Alright, let's see what's inside. Wow, man, this is like really hefty. And it has this window. I think this is a glass. It shows you how the motor moves. Let's see what's inside. How to open it? There's a button here, maybe like this. Oh, there's an airplane. What does it mean, airplane? Airplane? Huh? Should I hold it? I don't get it. Oh, okay. It just make the sound. Da, da, da. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. Ah. Well, yeah, there you have it. Then I'm going to show how it works. And I forgot to show you something. So it turns out this is totally magnetic, and this is a really satisfying sound. You can actually hear it. Could you hold this for me, Celestine? Hold my camera for me. Thank you. Okay. So, see? It's magnetic. And the whole thing is made of aluminum. And this is IPX7 waterproof. So I guess you can basically wash this under the faucet. And you see the clips on. Very satisfying, I would say. Very satisfying. And this is how it works. You hold it. The airplane logo means it's a transport mode, so it does not get activated easily, and you have to hold it to unlock it. Yeah, now you can use it. Yeah, I think this is the best razor I've ever used. So